Unlock hedge fund level returns in DeFi. Exclusive access to secure, risk-managed crypto investments. Imagine unlocking hedge fund level returns in the decentralized finance DeFi world. Here, traditional day trading gives way to sophisticated, risk-managed crypto investments. This paradigm shift grants retail investors access to strategies once reserved for the wealthy. Hedge funds pool money from affluent investors, managing it with professional expertise. They charge fees and take a share of profits, offering a level of precision now attainable in DeFi. This expertise can dramatically transform your crypto experience. We present a secure, strategic way to invest in cryptocurrencies, leveraging insights to maximize returns. Our methods allow you to diversify and capitalize on the DeFi ecosystem, regardless of your prior experience. Decentralized finance is revolutionizing how investments are made. By using DeFi platforms, you can create a balanced portfolio of digital assets and optimize risk-adjusted returns. This approach is especially useful for navigating the volatility of crypto markets. Explore innovative DeFi protocols like yield farming and liquidity pools to boost your portfolio. Automated market makers and decentralized funds offer new income streams, allowing you to safely manage and grow your assets in an ever-changing landscape. Master advanced trading techniques from hedge funds, such as algorithmic trading and arbitrage. These methods allow you to capitalize on market inefficiencies, ensuring you make informed and profitable decisions. Risk management and security are crucial in DeFi. Understanding smart contract vulnerabilities and market manipulation tactics will protect your investments and ensure longevity in this rapidly evolving space. Yield farming and liquidity pools offer promising passive income opportunities. However, understanding the risks, such as impermanent loss and regulatory changes, is essential for securing your financial future in DeFi. Embrace the new era of secure, risk-managed crypto investing. By staying informed and diversifying your portfolio, you can confidently navigate the DeFi landscape and achieve returns similar to those of elite hedge funds.